Hi, I'm Faith, a biology major at Creighton University. AI can do a lot, but in business, the real question is, should we use AI for this? That is where future business leaders have to think bigger.
AI is changing business, but the goal isn't to use it just because it's there. I'm Natalie Gerhart from Creighton University's Heider College of Business. Here are the top things business students need to know about AI. 1. AI is a business tool, not a shortcut. AI can help business students move faster and think through ideas in a new way, but it's not the whole strategy. The first question still has to be, what problem are we trying to solve, and is AI actually the right tool for it? 2. The AI skill employers actually want. Students do not have to walk into their first job as AI experts, but employers do want people who are curious, willing to try new tools, and comfortable figuring things out as the workplace changes. 3. When to use AI and when not to. AI can be a really helpful starting point for brainstorming, drafting, or testing ideas, but it cannot be where the work ends. Students still have to check it, shape it, and decide what is actually worth using. 4. Does AI actually add value? Just because AI can be used for something does not always mean it should be. In business, students have to think about whether it is actually improving the work, saving time, supporting a better decision, or creating enough value to make sense. 5. AI is part of every business career. AI is not just for one major or one specific kind of job. It is going to show up in marketing, finance, analytics, management, entrepreneurship, and operations. So business students need to understand how it connects to the work they want to do. 6. Using AI to practice the human side of business. AI can also help students practice the kinds of workplace moments that are hard to rehearse on their own, like salary negotiation, feedback, or other difficult conversations. It can help students build confidence for the human side of business. AI can support better business decisions, but students still need to bring the strategy, judgment, and leadership.
So, it's not just about whether AI can do something, it's whether it actually helps solve the problem. That's the kind of thinking Creighton students are bringing to the workforce.